Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make hot chocolate Goldengully, an easy and delightful treat. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, or any milk you prefer, for a creamy base. Then, grab 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to give it that rich, chocolatey depth. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of sugar on hand. You can always adjust this amount to suit your sweet tooth. Let's get started on this comforting beverage. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to warming the milk. Carefully pour your 2 cups of milk into a saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat and let the milk warm up gently. You want it to be steaming, but it's really important not to let it come to a full boil. Keeping it just below boiling helps maintain that wonderfully creamy texture we all love in a good hot chocolate. This step sets the stage for a perfectly smooth drink. With our milk perfectly warmed, it's time to infuse it with flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to the steaming milk. Whisk continuously until the cocoa powder is completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth with no lumps. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Remember, you can add more or less sugar to achieve your ideal level of sweetness. Keep whisking until everything is fully combined and dissolved, creating a harmonious chocolatey blend. Your delicious hot chocolate is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the warm, rich beverage into your favorite mug. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can top it with a handful of fluffy mini marshmallows or a generous swirl of whipped cream. This easy method creates a comforting drink that's perfect for any time. Sit back, relax, and savor every warm, chocolatey sip of your homemade treat. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.